Baking holiday treats, a sweet tradition explained. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a delicious topic: baking holiday treats. This phrase is not only about making yummy food but also about culture, tradition, and spending quality time with loved ones. So, if you're ready to explore this sweet part of English-speaking cultures, let's get started. Baking refers to cooking food by dry heat, usually in an oven. It's a method most often used for making sweets, breads, and pastries. The word treats means anything that is enjoyable, especially something to eat that is considered a luxury or a special pleasure. When we combine these terms into the phrase, bake holiday treats, we're talking about the tradition of making special, delicious baked goods that are specifically associated with a holiday. Baked goods hold a special place in many cultures around the world, especially during holiday seasons. Whether it's cookies for Christmas, pies for Thanksgiving, or special breads for Easter, these treats are much more than just food. They represent tradition, celebration, and the sharing of joy. Baking holiday treats is often a family activity, where recipes are passed down through generations, creating lasting memories and a sense of belonging. Let's explore some popular holiday treats and the stories behind them. Christmas cookies. Originating from Europe, these often include gingerbread and sugar cookies, which are decorated with icing and sprinkles. They are a symbol of goodwill and have been part of Christmas traditions for centuries. Pumpkin pie. A staple for Thanksgiving in the United States. This pie, made from pumpkin, spices, and sweetened with sugar or honey, embodies the spirit of the harvest season. Hot cross buns. These are traditionally eaten during Easter in many English-speaking countries. The cross on top of the buns symbolizes the crucifixion of Jesus, making them a significant part of the holiday's religious observance. Learning to bake holiday treats can be a fun and immersive way to improve your English. Here's how. 1. Follow recipes in English. This can help expand your vocabulary, especially words related to cooking and measurements. 2. Learn about the culture. Understanding the history and significance of different treats can improve your cultural knowledge, making you more proficient in the language. 3. Share your experiences. Discussing your baking adventures with friends or in language classes can improve your speaking skills. We hope this video has given you a taste of the sweet tradition of baking holiday treats and how it intertwines with culture, family, and language learning. Remember, exploring English isn't just about memorizing grammar and vocabulary. It's also about experiencing the culture and traditions that come with the language. So, why not try baking some holiday treats yourself? It's a delicious way to learn. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.